The domain management feature in WizeSense allows users to organize and manage data based on specific industries, business areas, or groups. By creating domains, users can logically segregate different data sources and perform more focused analysis. Each domain can also be associated with KPIs, regions, industries, and other relevant information, enabling WizeSense to generate more meaningful and domain-specific insights. At the top of the domains page, summary cards provide a quick overview of the active domains, industries covered, and regions associated with the configured domains. Below, the domains table displays information about all the domains created within the platform. From the Actions section, users can view domain details, modify an existing domain, or delete a domain when it is no longer required. To create a new domain, click the Add Domain button above the table. A form will appear where you can enter the domain name, parent domain, if any, description, and domain-specific prompt. You can then select an industry from the predefined list, add multiple KPIs, choose the relevant region, and optionally upload a logo to represent the domain. Once all the required information has been entered, click Create Domain to complete the setup. The newly created domain can then be used to organize associated data sources and enable more focused, industry-specific analysis across WizeSense.